Now, when you talk about DevOps, we basically talk about three different stages over there. One, of course, we talk about the people, then you talk about the process, then you talk about the product, right? So when you talk about this, this is more like a combination. This creates a life cycle of how the things would be working in an organization. Okay, so in here, in my example, the people are my developer and my ops engineer. Then we talk about creating a process in place wherein my developer and the ops engineer work together with each other and go ahead and let's say maintain or let's say update my products. So in this particular example, the products are the applications which my developer designs and my operation engineer basically places them on servers, right? So these are few of the things what we can talk about. So DevOps, we talk about three stage: people, process, and products. Now, if you talk about why do I need DevOps? Now, this slide, of course, there are a lot of things, all the things, but this slide talks about the consequences of my inefficiency. So this talks about, this is basically the reason why you need my DevOps, okay? So let's take an example of my developers. So 26.7%, we don't talk about executive support. Then we talk about my fragmented processes. So basically, these are my problems, what you see. These are few of the consequences of inefficiency. And because of this, we talk about using DevOps. DevOps gives me a better understanding of how do I go ahead and automate stuff so that I can get a better efficiency of my, let's say, my developer, my IT operation, and these two make a business, basically. So when you talk about business, business uses tools which are designed and developed by my developers and are hosted by my IT engineers or IT operation engineers, right? So these guys work on my servers. These guys work on tools. So these tools are hosted on these servers, right? So of course, you understand now what I'm trying to say. Both should have an understanding of the process. I mean, it's basically what we are trying to do is we are basically trying to create a process wherein this guy says something and this guy understands that. And when this guy says something, this guy understands. So both are in sync so that we can get a good business, right? So how do I get those good businesses? Basically when my systems are up and running fine always. So that is what the idea is. Okay, now if you talk about the benefits of DevOps, so we talk about my strong IT performance, which is a competitive edge. Then you talk about my DevOps practice, which improves my IT performance, right? Then you talk about I can go ahead and deploy my code 30 times faster, at times, of course, much more, and then have fewer failures. Now let's just try to understand few points in here.
Netcom Learning helps customers build innovative learning organizations by achieving a smarter workforce, adapting to change, and driving growth. We do this with a broad catalog of offerings, developing customized learning plans, and our global delivery capabilities. Since 1998, we've been empowering organizations with our managed learning services to help them reach optimal performance results and address challenges. We do have 9 practice areas in which we specialize, and they encompass people, process, and technology training. Today's presentation is from the Application Development Practice Area. Netcom Learning offers a comprehensive portfolio for DevOps courses, which include, you can see those all up on your screen, which we talked about a bit earlier, so do take advantage of those. Team training can be also customized and accelerated to meet your organization's specific needs. You can contact us today to be connected to one of our learning consultants to help advise you on your specific needs, or you can just email us at webinar@netcomlearning.com. Technical skills are necessary to empower our careers, but do you need to improve or upgrade your leadership skills as well in order to accelerate your career? Along with your technical abilities, develop the skills you need to manage yourself, others, and business better. Welcome to Starter Learning, a collaborative knowledge platform bringing the world's best business and leadership insights from Fortune 1000 leaders, best-selling authors, and Ivy League professors. Further, if you are interested in learning from the top American leaders, please log on to the e-learning platform at sarterlearning.com and avail the special promotion meant for first-time users. Use your coupon code SARTER10 and begin your leadership journey now.